what's up? It's Ruby. Welcome to Ruby Tip A Tuesday. This video, I'm gonna show you a tip on how to pretend to taste wine like a pro. Yes, I said pretend because I'm not a pro. I'm certainly not a wine expert. I just like to drink. Cheers. Okay, today let's talk about the 5 S's of wine tasting. Let's go! So there are 5 S's, just remember them and try to take your time and do them when you taste wine, and people will think you know something. So the 5 S's are C, swirl, sniff, sip, and savor. Wow! So let's try. So remember, the key is take your time and go through the 5 S's one by one, preferably in order, but if not, who cares? So when we see, let's see. Ooh, it looks like wine. Ooh, it's red. See, swirl. Pretty self-explanatory. Just keep doing that. Sniff. Smells like wine. Sip. Tastes like red wine. I'm sure this is a red wine. And savor. Savor means swallow. To find out the aftertaste once you swallow. And those are the 5 S's of wine tasting. And I'm going to be elaborating each S in a later video. So stay tuned and subscribe because there will be more how to pretend to taste like a pro. Subscribe for more future episodes. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram. I post every day there. Subscribe for more wine stuff and tip Tuesdays. Hit the bell button here. And I'll see you in my next one. Cheers! So they are So the 5 S's are C, swirl,